Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there, and I've worked a decade at IRS, and I love to make videos, at least helping you, telling you things you can do. I'm an author, best-selling author of IRS settlements. Like I said, I was a former revenue officer. I always hold the book up crooked. I don't know why. Anyway, if you haven't filed your tax returns in a year, I just got a call from someone who hadn't filed in 12 years, lives in Austin, Texas, and most people don't take advantage of the IRS 6-year rule. And what you see a lot of advertising about this and that, most of that advertising is all garbage. I've been doing this work for 53 years. Remember, I worked at IRS over a decade. The IRS policy statement, you can look it up yourself. IRS has policies, they're not the law. IRS says, the law is here, but it works more effectively if we have a policy toward that law. And the IRS remember, you're supposed to file all your returns, but the IRS policy says, if you haven't filed in 30 years, you're not going to have records. If you haven't filed 20 years, you're not going to have records. So we're going to make a policy, not the law. Policy, so the law says all of it. You only have to file the last 6. Look it up yourself. Policy statement 5-133. And people should take advantage of this now that now that another year's passed. You only have to file from the year 2020 forward. You don't have to file all the back years going back to 19. This other guy thought I had to go back 12 years. So anyway, you should take advantage if you're a non-filer, or there's a nervousness, and this year you made a resolution, I really need to take care of these taxes. I just want you to know you only have to file the last 6 years. That's it. So anyway, take advantage of that. I just want to I don't care we do this for a living every day. The toughest part for most people going into this is knowing they don't have records. How are you going to get the records to turn them into IRS? Are they going to be right? Are they going to be audited? That's the problem that most people have. Well, you don't need to worry about that. We do this every single day. We know how to reconstruct your return. So you got to get over the angst and the worry and the anxiety, and then you're going to say, well, God, what am I going to do? How am I going to pay it? Well, IRS has a couple different ways you can deal with it: through a hardship program, a payment program, or to settle your debt through the offer. But the big thing first is to get your returns filed and take advantage of the IRS 6-year policy. It's just a great program. IRS one time had it at 3 years in the year 2000, but they made 6 years the policy. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of cases. We can get all this done for you and come to some resolution with IRS. Thank you for listening. If you'd share this, I know you know someone who hasn't filed, because they usually tell you they haven't filed, and you can share this, but relax, it's something we do every day. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you.